Good morning, everybody. Welcome. Today is January 7th, 2020. It is 9:20 in the morning, 26 degrees, and we just left out of Champlain, New York. Headed down to Fulton, New York to pick up and come right back up to St. Albans, Vermont. Glad you joined me. Guys, we made it as far down as Watertown now. We just got off the 2-lane onto 781 here. Or is this, yeah, 781. It's just a short extension road that takes you over to 81 off of Route 11. We should be in Fulton about 2 p.m. It is 12:50 now. 34 degrees here, just north, really just north of Watertown right now. Looking at the weather forecast so far, don't look like there's going to be any snow until after midnight tonight up this way, so that's good. We can get down, get picked up, get back up to Vermont. Not have another night like last night. It got pretty bad last night after we got north of Potsdam, after we left the Walmart. It was pretty snowy all the way into St. Albans. So my plan to make it back to Malone didn't work out because it just took too much extra time to run through the snow. I had to slow way down and all that good stuff. But it's okay. Champlain was fine. Yeah, even though the snow was kind of crappy last night, it's still, we've been extremely lucky so far this winter. Have not had any really major snowstorms yet. Just a bunch of little ones. But I think we're living on borrowed time now, because this is a matter of time. We're going to have a big one here sooner or later. Usually get at least one or two, definitely one. Usually get at least 2 big snowstorms over the winter. On a normal winter anyway, but maybe this ain't gonna be a normal winter because it's been abnormally warm for a while. I know tomorrow night's supposed to get pretty cold. I'm talking about single digits Fahrenheit now, single digits above 0 to single digits below 0 with strong winds, so that's going to make it feel cold. Definitely going to have to get the long johns on. Okay, we're in Fulton, guys. Alrighty. let's go get checked in, see if they want me to put this in a door or leave it where it's at. Okay, guys, we have done our drop and hook, and we are back up here by Watertown already. It's just 4 o'clock now, 35 degrees here in Watertown. Hasn't started snowing or anything yet, thank goodness. Well, we should be in St. Albans by 9, roughly. Got 193 miles to go. We gotta stop for fuel, that's why I'm saying 9 o'clock. Probably stop in Champlain for some fuel, I'm thinking. Hey guys, we just stopped here in Champlain, New York and get fuel. Right on schedule. We're going to be probably in St. Albans just before 9 o'clock. About 8:45, 9 o'clock. Alright guys, we got our fuel before there in Champlain, and now we're over here in St. Albans, just about to make our delivery. It is 8:35 right now, 31 degrees here in St. Albans. And we are here. Okay. Got its door open. Excellent. Door 17. Okie dokie. Yeah, we're lined up on the dock, and we'll go on inside and see if they want me to break the seal and back it in. or what the story is. Alright, we are out of here. It's now 9:20. We should be back over to Champlain by about 10:20. We're gonna call it a day. Get a shower. And go to bed. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I'm tired again today. I feel like a nice long day again today. It is 10:15. We started at what, 8:45, something like that. So it is a long day, really. Anyway, we're all parked here. We're in Champlain, and it's 28 degrees out right now. We're getting ready to go to bed. Actually, going to go inside and take a shower, and then go to bed. But we appreciate you guys being here. Hit the thumbs up on the way out. Leave me a comment, and think about subscribing if you haven't already. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Okay, guys. Bye for now.